We are headed in with my landlord, Carolyn, and her grandson, Landon. It's his first tractor show, guys. I think he is just gonna be stoked. I know I love a good tractor. I don't know my tractor, so I'm gonna read them when I get up there. Tell what that is from here? Farmall. Carolyn comes from a family of farmers, so she is going to help us figure out what all this machinery is. Still lives on her property, which was her great grandmother's property. Had over 300 farm acres.
Now go ahead, we'll call you. Go ahead, we'll call you.
There was Farmall.
Y'all got the boss with you today, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got one today. Probably the fairgrounds, just as big as this or bigger.
Okay.
They got one up there. It's big.
When is that?
May.
May.
End of May. About the 20th. Got the
Okay.
big NC festival. I mean, they got all kinds of stuff, all kinds of vendors. They got wine. They got about anything you can see in there.
Nice.
Yeah, we can walk around.
I thought he worked here. Now let's go in here first. I think they're trying to get in. Those are tractors just showing up. Like at the car show. They're all trying to get into the grass. Oh. Nice inside pavilion. Beautiful magnolia gray. Morning, how are you? Wonderful. Yeah, those are stones. I know. I'm gonna call it all out. Cooperative extensions. Local food program. Strawberries, Britt Farms. Morning. Good. Oh, I know. We gotta take some strawberries. I gotta get some. Oh. Cleaning the corn off. Tiny corn You like the corn?
Have a good one.
Thank you. How are you this morning? Oh, that's some beautiful woodwork.
Thank you. We make all of these. There's all hard maple. This is one I got. It's mahogany and maple. And we got a lot more of this stuff downtown at our store down Center Street, Goldsboro.
Okay, on Center Street? Okay. Picket fence.
Y'all leaving? Oh yeah, y'all coming back too?
Henry and Teresa. Are you Henry?
I'm sorry.
Are you Henry?
I am Henry. Yes,
Nice
sir.
to meet you, Henry.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day. Nobody knows who I am right now. I don't have t-shirts, so I just wander around like a regular person. And they look at me like I'm nuts. I love it. I love it. You know I'm crazy. I'm giving a car away. Doesn't get crazier than that. Grantham Bulldogs.
Did you see the recyclable rugs and hats?
No.
They're making them out of bags.
Oh, yes. I've seen it before.
What's his name? Landon?
Mats for the homework. Aww. See if they sell online. You can learn online. I love quilts. I have no clue why. But I am a quilty person. There's one out of ties. Mine's out of ties. Totally different from that one. 4H. Raffle table. Oh. Anybody in on the hose? One person in on the hose. Yard signs. It's an anonymous bid. But you know what? The other person did. I love that. I like that purple. That's gorgeous. Anybody need a one-off stamp? That is totally gorgeous. Look at that. How are you doing? Jeff Wells, I assume? What are these? I have no clue.
These are cutting boards. This is for chopping barbecue.
Oh, okay. Okay.
These here are for cutting vegetables and meats and stuff. They're cutting boards.
Does this pull out?
Yeah, that pulls
Okay, so
out.
I'm interested in just.
And that's a little tray.
Ah, that's what's down there. Yeah.
Those cutting boards have adjustable legs on them. So you can tilt it back up just a little so when you chop them, the
Okay.
grease have a tendency to run in this tray and catch you in the thing on. That way you ain't got to keep wiping it off.
Do you mind? Awesome. And how much do they run?
These here run $275. This is $250.
Okay. Are these bigger?
It's a little
little
bit bigger.
wider?
This one here, these ain't got the tray on it.
Okay, okay. Gotcha. That is beautiful detail work, Jeff. You make
It's all hardwood. This wood right here is from South Africa. It's called sapele.
Sapele, okay?
And this here is from one of the islands over there. This is called Padaka. It starts out as pink, and then as it gets air, as it's cut, after it's cut, it changes to a dark orange. And now, as it's been out for about 6 months, it starts to have the tendency to change to a lighter.
Okay. And what are these?
This is cornbread, old-time cornbread. You have your pot of grease.
Okay.
You mix up your batter, stick your batter in here, and then you just pinch off
Oh.
the cornbread into your thing.
What do those run?
About $30.
Okay. Neat. And the bench?
Bench, I'm asking $275 for the bench.
That's it.
I was asking $300, but being I'm out here today, I thought I'd take $275.
Okay. Okay.
That's a nice heavy bench too.
Yeah. It's really nice. Awesome, Jeff. Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Take one of my cards.
Awesome.
Take one of them.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Wonderful. So whoever sees that, you need to call Jeff if you want it, and just give him like $500 because it's well worth that. No lie. Okay, tractors?
See the tractor?
Okay. Past the candy, which is the first thing you walk. Well, you walk into nuts first thing here, which is good. Oh, yeah, we've seen that sign a lot on our adventures when we've been going out and exploring. 919-689-2308. Hey, that's Carolina Nutcracker. 919-689-2308. I've seen that a lot on my exploring. They have a sign that you bring your nuts to them and they'll crack them, I think by the pound. I didn't ask because I'm not collecting nuts, guys, sorry. Okay, we're going to the tractors. Tractors past the strawberries, which is hard to do. Very hard to do. That's Britt's Farm. Coming in here. Aw. Look at a little one. I know you can't see it. There it is. We'll go see it in a minute. It's going back there. It's going back here with us. Yeah, a lot of nice woodworker in here today. And that bench, I'm telling you. Look, somebody just like call him and say you want to give him $1,000 if you got the money. Have it shipped to you. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 guys. I'd buy it if I could, but I'm in a camper, so look, I can't fit one in my camper. Look at this cow. Look at this cow right here. Let's see what it's called. It's got a tag. Oh, pet. Pet. Look at that pet cow. Oh yeah, loving it. Here he is. See, I told you he'd be out here. Trust and Willy, you get it? It's a club cadet. Look at that thing. That's the way to reuse your mower. That is what I would do all day long. Look at this farm all. Look at that farm all, guys. Look at this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know, it's a tractor. Hey, look. Yeah, ladies, I'm not saying it. You say it. Yell it out. Yell it out. Okay, you look sexy on that tractor. See what Landon's reaction is. It's going to be priceless. This green John Deere sounds like some of the cars yesterday at the muscle car place. This one's awesome. It does. It sounds like a big block. Rolling by there, look. Got his planter. There's a Ford. Ford's not something you see every day. Sorry. Look at that, John Deere 420.
I think that's Mr. Paul.
That's who?
I know one's in the office, Paul Agar.
Okay. There's another
No,
big.
Lester, excuse me. Paul.
Another big John Deere. Look at it. Look at this little farmer. Got it. Got it all going on. He's got it all going on. That thing is spinning. He just came up on this, and he was in the tractor parade in it, and it looks fun to drive. A little rough on the back, but fun. Reminds me of one of the Thunderbolt. That is the Cub Thunderbolt, guys, and she is for sale. And she's got a key in her so we can take her for a test drive.
Well, that's homemade, ain't it?
Yeah, that sure is. Do you know anything about that motor right there?
No, I sure don't.
Okay, I don't either.
Looks like an old straight 6, ain't it?
No, it's an 8.
Straight 8?
8, yeah. 4 and 4, yeah. It's a Thunderbolt racing motor, it looks like. I mean, like, what does that say? Oh, it's a Packard. Wow, it's a Packard straight 8.
Yeah.
Thunderbolt. Hence the name on the front. Oh my, that's got to be really fast. Well, I don't know. I mean, a Packard, my 1942 Chevy produces like 63 horsepower, so.
Well, I was looking at some of them, I've got a Cub at the house, 55 model, and it's got 13 horsepower at the drawbar.
Okay.
Well, some of them Super A's up there, and we had a Super A when we was farming. That's what we used, was a Super A. And some of them up there got road, they didn't have a 13 horsepower either.
Okay.
But I made it feel like it was more than 13. I used to make the front end go on the ground. But you couldn't wear them out, bud. You couldn't wear them things out, bud. We Daddy bought it in 49. And it took the valve cover off in 63.
Okay.
You know? And sometime later, I done quit with it. And he had it, dude had to re-sleeve to a 130. All he had to do was take the heads off, knock the sleeves out, tie them all back together, and you ready to go again.
Ready to go? Okay.
The block was the same, really. And but they tough tractors. And I was looking at some of them guys done paint them up yonder. I wanted to do my Cub, but the paint job be more cost than the tractor itself.
Yes.
I just put a new head gasket on it, you know, because it's not bad enough, got water in the oil, so I had got to put a head gasket on it for it. Runs like a top, crank just like that.
Very nice.
Yeah. That's something else. I tell you right now, that's something else. If you got it home, what'd you do with it?
2,000.
Packer engine.
Yeah.
326.
2,000 bucks. 919-496-8535. Abe Kent.
That's a parade tractor.
That is.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you buy it, you got to send me a 10% finder's fee. There you go. It's in Goldsboro. And you could get delivery. I could deliver it with the Subi. Look at, well, there's an international Cub. That's what he was talking about. Ooh. Oh, look at the little yellow one. Oh, it's a little truckster. 3 wheels. No, I won't drive that on a real road, guys, ever. It's got 3 wheels. Everyone knows 3 wheels does not work. It's a bad design. See, yeah. This one's for sale. Classic Antique Power Inc. All wood. You'll have to call them to find out about it. But there's a number, guys. 919-398-5342. Is this one yours?
No, I've seen it out here several times.
Okay.
I can't think of the guy's name. I'm not even sure if I know whose it is, to be honest with you. But
Anymore?
I do remember there's a guy near here that's got one, but I don't see him. know if he's alive now, but must want a plenty for it.
What now?
I say you must want a plenty for it.
Oh, because it's not selling.
Well, I mean, I've seen it up here quite a bit. I tried to buy one time at an auction and they are high. Call them and ask them.
What is it then? It sounds like you know exactly what it is.
It's a short dog.
It's a what?
It's called a short dog.
A short dog. In what era?
Model A era.
Okay. And it originally was wood? Just like it is?
Yeah, a lot of it was wood.
Okay.
If you could replace the wood, a lot of it was.
Huh. Is it yours?
Yeah.
Okay, tell us about it. Let's see, we're gonna hear it run.
Yesterday. Well, I think today.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
Well, this really ain't a short dog. I've got a whole kid. It's got springs. They rock and everything.
We got a slight fuel leak over here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, as long as you know. It's just a hose clamp, it looks like.
Yeah, somebody
the
tried it
plastic's
yesterday.
cracked.
I think he tried it too much.
They cracked it, okay. This runs beautifully.
Oh, it's good running car.
How much are you asking?
It did not want to get in that trailer yesterday. Huh?
And how much are you asking?
4,000.
4,000, okay.
It was built in 1950 by a guy named Eli. It was a high school project in New Jersey.
In New Jersey, Eli built it, okay.
And it migrated down to a nephew in Front Royal, Virginia. And he was trying to sell it, and it won't run it.
Look at that.
I was headed up to New York to pick up 2 more cars. I went to Front Royal, Virginia, and bought it here in New York, and left it at a buddy of mine's house. And then before I got home, he sent me a picture of him and his son driving it down on Highway 17 and up above Monticello.
Okay. And your name was?
James Barefoot.
James Barefoot. Okay, nice to meet you, James. I'm Will. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this little thing. Now see, that's perfect Willy size, but I need 2 wheels in the front. This size, 2 wheels, and in a closed back would be perfect. Perfect.
That's not good right I got too many of them, and I've been selling them.
Ride mobile. Back up Barnwood. Oh, that's a nice IH sign. National Farm Mall.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I was just gonna get your card there.
I got one I can give you.
You got one you can give me? Okay,
Yes,
awesome.
Are you local?
Huh?
Are you local?
I travel the U.S.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you ship?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You pay shipping costs.
Yeah. Awesome, Randy. What's this IH sign, Ron?
That's $40.
40 bucks? Okay.
Made out of tobacco sticks.
Made out of tobacco sticks.
The
Okay.
signs on the table, and the benches are 25. The IH sign is 40. The leaf on the bottom is 40. The leaf plaques on the tobacco sticks is 75. And the American flags on the tobacco sticks, they're 40.
Okay. Where do you get your tobacco sticks?
I've got some. When I take barns down, if I can collect the sticks or whatever. But
Okay.
I took a barn down, 2 barns down in Black Creek about 7, 8 years ago.
So you take tobacco barns down. That's
I
what
take
you
the
do.
barns down and reclaim the timber.
Okay.
And sell it, and I just do this on the side, going to shows.
Okay.
To help promote my barnwood sales and stuff.
Awesome.
I've been making flags and stuff and all for a long time. The benches for 4 or 5 years. But the last couple of years, I just started making the signs. Boards like this that split when I take it off the barn. I don't get rid of them. I just keep them, trim them, and sand them and put poly on, and then just put a sign on stuff.
Okay.
Whatever I can dream up to put on that stuff.
Awesome. Thank you, Randy.
You're welcome. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too. Oh. Table's gorgeous. What's the table run, Randy?
The table's sold. I sold it this morning.
Okay.
I've had that table for 5 years. I used to use it as a display in my trailer, but I'm changing up now and stuff, so I sold the table. Now this is made out of tobacco sticks. That's just a centerpiece table decorative. That's $40. The vase and flowers and that just mine that I put for decoration stuff.
Okay. Awesome. Ooh, love that table. Sold this morning. No wonder it's gorgeous. Somebody made a good purchase. You know, life is better in the country. Very pretty.
Faith can move mountains.
Look at the birdhouses. I didn't even notice them. How are you doing?
All right, how about you?
Good. Do you ship? Do you ship? Ship? Like ship packages at all?
Well, I hate, but I guess
You hate? Okay. These birdhouses are unique. How much do they run?
$40.
40 bucks.
They're all cedar.
Okay. And how could somebody get a hold of you? Perfect.
I ain't never shipped them, but I can.
Okay.
I mean, I don't want it qualified.
Yeah.
See,
Just
but
charge them actual shipping. Okay. Southern Country. Awesome. And you're on Facebook. Awesome.
yeah,
Thank you.
on the Facebook.
Thank you. That is mint. Down to the tires. That looks like to be a great driver. All new suspension. Going for a look. 1929 Ford Model A. Change is good, but some dollars are better. What's that in the middle of the steering wheel? Not the horn button. What's the lever do? Hide a key. That's not very hidden. Oh, a little bit. Where am I starting? No biggie. It's not for sale. Oh, look at the duck. John Deere's out here. They need to go by Southern Sign in Goldsboro and get their stripes redone. Oh yeah. Great sign company, great sign company. Took care of me with the Baja. Oh, we're gonna see what the back of this one says. Oh yeah. $630. Fields are out here showing. Oh. Fire truck. That's what I need. I need a fire truck. Oh yeah. Let's see that ladder right. See, that's an original service axe. Went to this truck. Ford F600. Yeah, I saw one for sale with a big front end like this. I didn't know what I'd do with it. It's a lot of front end. They apparently got a pump on there. Look at that. Never seen one with a pump on it. Oh, here we go. Guys, that is a 2022 tractor just rolled out of the John Deere facility. Super secret. Super secret. I don't know what that is. If you know what that is, leave it in the comments. I'll try to find him because I really don't know. Really don't know. Yeah, no clue. That thing is cool. Dangerous, like, you know, little kids sucked right into that. So, you know, I'm sure John Deere's not going to get anything nearly that dangerous anymore because that's, yeah, that's no joke. Farmville. We've been to Farmville before. We just fished in Farmville. Didn't get a bite, but we fished it. Been there, done that. I'll zoom in on the controls for you. How long has it been since you firemen seen those controls? Ooh, I love the lights. American La France. Are they still in business, guys? I think they are. I think I've been past their facility. 1967. There we go. 1967. Here he comes back this way, guys.
Willy.
Deere 2020. Yeah, I like the older ones. There's a farm all. Maybe that's old Desert. Here's a new one. I don't know what era. Power steering. Look at this Oliver.
Only thing you change is the weight, class, and you quit running. And then I had to put the wheel box on. I went, the first time I went, and you don't have to have the wheel bars, but it's better to have it. Yeah, this whole thing with wheel bars.
He knows. First, second. I'm not interrupting their conversation. This one's for sale, guys. Owned and restored by Lamar Brewer. 910-590-6374. 4,000. It's an F14. McCormick Deering Farm All. Beautiful. It's just gorgeous. John Deere. Wow. Holy moly. I don't know if this will be the biggest out there, but it dwarfs everything around it.
So you know what these are, right?
Weights. Why are they using the? I couldn't tell you why they're using the weights.
Different fields and different implements require weights. The heavier the implement that's placed on the back, the heavier you need the weight to balance.
To keep the front down. Okay. And the smaller tractors don't have that option.
Some of them.
I guess you could add it too if you wanted. But yeah, okay. He's got a full set of weights on his. But he took first, second, and second at the last place he went. He owns 3 of them. That's huge. I mean, that's a huge tractor compared to these other ones. I know the video may not show it justice, but that 806 is huge. 430 case.
No, where are you? We have to go down.
1961. Larry and Joanne Barnes from Fremont, North Carolina. Beautiful
This one is
example.
close to what my father had.
Okay. 1951 Farmall Super A. Also the Barneses. I'm thinking the Barneses may be farmers, guys. How are you doing? 135 Massey. The Barneses. It's looking more and more like they have a real farm, guys. 135 Massey. Beautiful. John Deere 1940. How are you doing?
All right, how you today?
Good. Are you one of the Barneses?
Yeah, I am.
Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
So as we walk through here, I took a guess that you're actual farmers, right?
Nope.
No. Just tractor collectors?
Just growed up on a farm.
Okay. And collect tractors.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. See, I love guessing, and a lot of times I'm wrong, but, you know, guessing's fun.
Well, I farmed when my daddy farmed. See. We
Okay. Growed up
daddy,
farming.
Daddy farmed, uncles farmed.
Okay.
And you'll never get it out of them.
No.
I had
Yeah.
5 tractors one time. I love every one of them. If I was a rich man, I'd buy every one right here. Every one of them, wouldn't you? It's a disease, man. They don't take. I should have went to the bank, to the ATM. But
Now, are these a lot of the family's tractors?
I'll be over here.
Or are they are they ones you picked up along the years?
Him and the story was we hooked them together.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wang let up on the clutch on that Ford and started pulling the old John Deere back. Sammy reached over there and put the clutch forward on that John Deere. Old John, when he had clutch, took a hold and old John went pop like that. Sammy went on pushed that clutch all the way forward and that Ford sitting back there bouncing like that. Now, let's see, started that case right there.
Yeah.
That one all the way through here. All the way down there to that Ford.
Okay.
That's 5 of us brothers, and all these tractors belong to us 5.
Okay. Now, are any of them off the family farm? Like your dad had them?
No, my uncle. One of my uncles on that 40.
Okay.
And that Super A right down there.
The Ford that's all silver and orange?
No.
No.
The Super A farm off.
Oh, the Super A farm all. Okay.
My oldest brother bought this from our aunt.
Okay.
And that one sitting under the tent was on the same farm that this one here was on.
Okay, both on the same farm. Cool.
Our uncle owned both of those.
Very nice.
And
So these are all yours all the way down to this
No,
end?
not mine.
Yeah, family members.
Yeah,
Okay.
me and my brothers.
That's a lot of storage space, I'm saying.
Yeah. I ain't got room for no other one. I own 6, and I'm out of
Build the barn.
room.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
I'm
the
out of
limit.
room.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you from?
Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay. You live there? Are you up here visiting, or you live up here
I
now?
travel the U.S. now, and yeah, all over. Stop at different shows,
Right.
and I run a little YouTube channel, Wandering Willy.
Okay.
And enjoying life.
Yeah.
Very nice, Doug. Nice to meet you.
You too. What's your name?
Will.
Will. Doug.
Wandering Willy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all enjoy it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
There's a saying on one of these tractors.
That's
on
a
the
lot.
back of it.
On the back.
It said on the 8th day God created red tractors and all was well. That's
a side seat. And was your dad's like a side seat? Okay.
I remember playing with this, flipping it back and forth with my foot while I was plowing.
Okay.
But I'd be plowing, playing with that thing back. You ready to go? Now that's the cutest thing ever right here.
This farm all cub. Oh, it's got a disc, right?
Correct.
Disc, okay. And that's got plows.
Disc is going to roll dirt over.
Okay.
Roll it where the plow, of course, is plowing and kicking dirt left.
Which do you do first? You plow first, right? And then you disc to get your lines? Okay. And now you push buttons in a computer, really. If you're running a farm, it's all computerized. Look at this orange one. Alice Chambers. That is a chunk of steel there. I mean, like that is
metal on top of metal.
Metal. I can't imagine what that weighs.
Chunks being out of Dad's tires. Hit a rock or something just right.
And chunk it out. Red, white, and blue Ford. Golden Jubilee. Problems with my Zoom today, guys. Sorry, I still got a lot of film in here from yesterday. The Bears, if you haven't seen that, oh my gosh, to die for.
Hey, how you doing?
Wonderful, how you doing? Oh, this farm all's for sale. 919-394-4602.
Good if you need something quick. Why they store?
Ford. Fordzilla. Tell me a little bit about it. What do you know about it? Okay. Trisha can tell us. Trisha, you're eating. Can I come back after you finish? Well, no. Eat. I'm going to come back. I'm going to be here all day. Go eat. Go eat. Okay. Farmall. I'm going to say that a lot today. Polaris Ranger. Oh, nope. It's the motor in the back, guys. ACOC. We hear that name a lot here. There's a lot of ACOCs here. Yeah. I think it's Canadian. ACOC. Do the. You gotta do the long ACOC. ACOC. We're gonna stop and look at this 300 Farmall because that's a straight road. And I can already tell it's got to be easier to see on that side seat. I see why people would buy that side seat.
Well, it helps you see your rows better.
Yeah, but that would be hard.
Of the tractor.
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, if you're on something like that, you're sitting kind of to the side anyway, looking.
Okay.
So
a back killer.
To do that.
Power steering, John Deere 50. This one's for sale. Look at this one. Oh, we looked at this one, guys. I remember that price. Yeah, that's the F14. Yeah, I just kind of popped around. That's a diesel.
You've looked at all them already?
No, just keep going. Just keep on going. Where's Wander?
My brother's married girl, Miss Chapel.
Classic Antique Power Inc. Oh, that's a gorgeous front on that 900. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. That is gorgeous. Flawless paint. Wow. That thing is flawless. Raw crop. Who the heck makes a raw crop? Raw crop 60. Oliver, okay. Oliver 60s. Right there, raw crop. Oh, row crop. I'm reading it wrong. That's a row crop. Oh, I thought it was an A. That's why I was like raw crop. I don't know. That's an O. It didn't look like an O until I got on that. Okay. It probably is. Man, I don't know if that would fit. I don't know. I have to measure, but I'm thinking that might be over 14, but that cab is tiny. Ralph Rod. Look at that. Got some. Solid front axle. Nice intake. Cruising. Buckets don't look too bad. Too comfy.
Oh, is that your size?
Oh. I know.
The container stuff, yeah. Them boys, I think, running dump trucks or something.
3010. Farmall. Loving the Farmall. can't go over to them. For sure. This thing is beautiful. $1951 Oliver. Queen A. Set the gears, it looks like. 2 speeds. Nice. Oh, look at the seat. Very nice. The stainless. It's gorgeous.
Between the school and
That should about finish the farm show for us today, guys. Thanks for joining me. And don't forget to get in on your chance to win an adventure vehicle of your, well, you win the adventure vehicle and then, yeah, pretty simple. I paint it to whatever liking you like, whatever your tastes are. You got a $5,000 budget, so you can pretty much do anything you can imagine Willy can do for you. Pretty much anything. So have a great day. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me. There's not much to look at right here. I know I should have done this somewhere else, but talk to you later.